Alright, now that we've loosened all the screws in the Xbox, we're going to take them all out. Don't forget the one right here underneath the Xbox 360 seal, of course. We got all those together. Now what we want to do is turn it over. And we're going to get the top off of our Xbox. First our black panel. Our main top fan. Everything here, our hard drive, our fan. Under that is our heat sink. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get to our disk drive and unplug here and unplug here to pull it out completely. As you see,
Damn, man.
there's that. And what we want to do is look at the motherboard, and we're going to look for any cracks. She's a little bit dirty, so we're definitely going to clean her out and clean her up. So far, everything seems to be looking pretty good, as far as I can tell, other than the dirt factor. But see, we got our shroud right here, and that just pops right off. No problem. Exposing your fan around it. I'm looking at the motherboard. Oh, and everything looks great.
Oh, I got it.
Everything really does, except for a little bit of dust and dirt. Other than that, we look pretty good. But what we're concerned with on this is the lights. Now, how we're connected to the motherboard is right here. We're connected right here with these terminals to these blocks. You see the ends that are soldered right there on this little board connect into this motherboard that's here underneath. So what we want to do is access this to see what the deal is with our power.